Once the Lasercube is on and the e-stop is enabled, press and hold the small button to the left of the antenna to switch between modes. Once you land on the Wifi Server Mode, press and hold until the LED starts blinking slowly. Disconnect from your Wi-Fi network and be sure to select the Lasercube from your Wi-Fi settings. Wait for the LED indicator on the Lasercube to hold solid to show that it is connected to the correct network. Go back to LaserOS and start emitting. For Wi-Fi Client Mode, you first need to connect it the same way you would for Wi-Fi Server Mode, by putting the Lasercube first in Wi-Fi Server Mode, then connect your control device to the Lasercube. Once the Lasercube has connected to your control device, turn off your wired network, and then go to your browser and type in 192.168.1.1. Type in your network's username and password, and save it for future use. Then go back to your Lasercube, toggle the mode to Wifi Client, and restart your router if it doesn't work immediately. Once the Lasercube LED indicator is solid, you can start emitting. In LAN Server Mode, connect your Lasercube via Cat5 cable to your control device. Make sure this device is not already on a wireless or wired network. The Lasercube will become its own network. Wait for the indicator to hold solid, and that means you are ready to go. For LAN Client Mode, the Lasercube and your control device need to have a wired connection to the network you want to use. Make sure the device is on the network and select LAN Client Mode. Once the light holds solid, you're ready to go.